Okay, we are going to make pattern for mask. Firstly, you are going to give a line here and this side too. Yes. Then after that, from here, we're gonna go up 2 inch. So 2 inch up. And then from this point, we are going up to 3 inch. And then from here, we are going up to 1.5 inch. Then after that, we extend the line from here. Just goes to straight. Then from here, we are going to mark 5.25. So 5 and then quarter. Then same things, 5.25 here, 5.25 inch. And then we are going to attach those point and then point like this. Then we are going to mark 3.5 from here. So it's gonna be 3.5 here. This is 3.5. Then for the top, we're gonna mark 3.7/8. Shoot. Ooh la la. 3.7/8. Okay. And then we are going to up from here 4 inch like this. So 4 inch. Go. And then mark it. And then after that, from now, kind of like drawing, but at this point, we're gonna kind of extend like straight, but don't mark it hard. It's just a mark, guideline. Then after that, this point, and then that point, and this point, then that point going to connect together. So from now, we kind of like do drawing. So this is gonna be the side. This is gonna be the sideline. This is gonna be the front. So this is gonna be the top to the side. We just going to give nice curve and then use this guideline and then like this. And then from here, it's gonna be the bottom. So use this line, just make nice curve like this. And then here, and then here. And then we are also going to attach this point as well. So like this. Then goes down to this section. Cool. And then after that, we are going to decide the final shape using this guideline. So use scale to finalize the shape. Oh, sorry. Shape gonna be like this. And this one as well. Like this. to like that, and then same here. Sorry, my room is a little bit loud, but since it's quarantine, I have roommate with me, so. But this, and then like this, cool? So that's the final shape, and then from now, we are going to give them shim allowance all around outside. So from this line, we're gonna give shim allowance outside, just 1/4 inch like this, and then this side as well, a little bit like that, like this, that, we like that, like 1/4 inch like this, and then this part as well, you're going to give shim allowance, and this side too. Okay, so this is gonna be the center front, that gonna be the side. So this is the shape, and then if you wanna attach elastic, it's gonna be like this, or like some sort of like strap from here. But that's gonna be the nose and the mouth. And that's it.